Hi there, Sandra here from Create in Spain. Today's card is a very pretty glitzy floral one. Unusual style for me, but I just fancied a change. For this card I've started off with a plain white card base, and the panel that I've put on here has been stenciled but with the texture paste, and I did a design of stars. I then decided it wasn't that interesting, and so I put some blended colour over the top just with the normal blending tool and with normal inks. And then I put some dots of this stuff, which is basically a varnish glue, and I keep it in a little bottle like that. So I put some little dots on, and then I added my glitter, which is this stuff. I have a great big pot of it. It's just really, really pretty glitter, this one. So I used my matting tool to mat the piece onto the background, and I have some various things here to stick on. So this card is going to be relatively glitzy for me. Now I've got some pieces which I've cut from glitter card, and these just come out so nicely when they're cut from that. It's incredible. And then I have a mixture of flowers. Now some of the flowers I cut like this. This is just a very lightweight embroidery backing. Okay, it's the sort of stuff that you'd use for stabilizing machine embroidery. It's a lightweight version, but it colors really well. It doesn't tear too easily, it cuts really nicely, and basically you can do pretty much anything to it, and it's designed to be waterproof as well, so you're not going to break it when you're adding any colour or texture to it. I'm finding that the easiest way of getting a really good coat of glitter onto these things is to just get some clear varnish and to put a lot of glitter in it. So I'll probably end up giving them more than one coat. I've got a little bit of varnish in here and a lot of glitter, and that does seem to work relatively well. At least it will stick on it. It won't have any chance of coming off, because this varnish, once it dries, nothing gets that varnish off. And the areas where I think it's got a bit too much, I'll just wipe it with my finger, like that. I'm just going to place this on here and start building up my card. Pressing well down to make sure everything's stuck. And take a piece of card and press down, just in case I've got marks on my fingers. I prefer to use a piece of card or a piece of paper when I want to press. There we go, that's that bit. And I want to put some flowers on. And there we are, we have the finished card. Now I could add a sentiment if I wanted to, but I prefer not to put a sentiment on a really fancy card like this. I just like the picture to do all the talking for me. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.